Okay, welcome back everyone to Punlok channel. Today I'm very sorry that I cannot upload a new video for detail about the schematic of the installation automatic and manual modes because right now I has the problem with my AutoCAD drawing program. I promise on tomorrow I will fix and then I will upload a new video with the detail of my script and schematic for everyone. And on tomorrow I will be review on some script like this, and this is the schematic that I designed already with the standard function. I hope everyone is understand and very friendly with me, and please waiting on tomorrow I will upload a video that everyone need to know about electrical and electronic knowledge. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye.